welcome to the 2024 SEMA show. Things are just about to get kicked off here in the West Hall, and so we wanted to show you what we have going on inside the STEK booth this year. As far as the vehicle lineup goes, I have this beautiful 1965 Buick Skylark right behind me. This thing has been heavily customized and modified from not only the motor, drivetrain, but also to the body panels, so it makes a lot of sense that they wanted to protect that work using our different fashion films. Now, another heavily fashion film car is this Faraday. The Faraday is one of the newest EVs on the market, and it's definitely an investment. Packs a punch as far as that MSRP goes, just like the horsepower that it's packing as well. So it has quite a different lineup of our fashion films over there. And then this Lamborghini Hurrican over to my right is sporting our newest DYNOorange paint protection film. This has a really rich metallic flake and bright orange pop to it, and it's been turning heads already. We look forward to showing you some more close-ups of those. As far as the other activations we have going on inside this year's booth, we're showing off our updated window tint. Now these lines have been improved to make them a little bit easier. We'll do a deep dive here shortly. We're also introducing our FORCEshield series. It's a brand new colored film lineup. These are all true paint protection films. They're gonna bring a lot more variety as far as what you can choose from STEK. We also are introducing some new softwares, from STEK-shield, which is a robust system, to a cut software and even a 3D rendering software. We'll show you guys a little bit more close-ups of those shortly. And then our known and beloved DYNOshield series. That is on display with different patterns that we're also working on. So go to check out the deeper dives. So you guys are at the show, swing by. And if not, check out our other videos going more in depth. Now, time to take a deeper dive into our window tints. We've had a few different lines on the market now, and we've had really good feedback, but some of that feedback was asking for a little bit of change. So we've updated these window tints with a deep carbon dye to give you a more charcoal color tone, where traditionally ceramic tints are a little bit more either green or blue in color hue. These are gonna have a really nice gray color. Beyond that, the shrinkability is gonna be a little bit easier. The IR performance has also been improved, and then it's a little bit more scratch resistant. So from installation through just your use and life of the window film, it's gonna be performing overall a little bit better and looking as good as possible for as long as possible. So we have some folks doing some demos here all week long. If you're interested, we'll show some close-ups of that. But now, on to the FORCEshield series. Now, one new series I've personally been really excited to introduce is our FORCEshield. The FORCEshield series is introducing over 120 new colors. Now, these colors are really designed to be an upgrade alternative to traditional vinyl wraps. They are true TPU-based materials, so they're going to provide protection from rock chips and scratches. They also are top-coated, so they're still hydrophobic and self-healing. Now, these films have a 5-year warranty and are going to be offered a little bit more of a competitive price than our Dino Series. So if you're looking for something a little bit shorter term, but want a bigger variety to choose from, our FORCEshield series will be an excellent solution. Check it out. Now to introduce some softwares we've been busy working on. The first is a 3D rendering software, which allows you to select your car and then put any variety of our fashion films, patterned, colored, or just clear films on it to see just how it will turn out when the job's all done. This will help you choose the best thing for your car based on your own preferences. The other great software we've been working on is STEK-shield. This is a robust program to help empower your shop and also streamline your operations. It allows for online warranty registration, keeping track of some projects, and even includes some sales tools. And then last but not least is Cuts. This is a pre-cut software that has a huge library already and is only continuing to grow, where you can offer pre-cut templates for the vehicles. It's going to make it a little bit easier to offer the exact package your clients are looking for, from wrapped edges or not. It can all be done on Cuts. Go ahead and check it out. And swinging over to our Dino Series. Our Dino Series has been out for years. It's one that you guys have followed along with and loved along the way, and we appreciate all your positive feedback. In the sport of continuous innovation and for the passion and pursuit of excellence, we're continuing to develop new colors and even some new patterns that we have on display here for the first time. We look forward to getting more feedback on these patterns and seeing which ones we actually move into production. We're also teasing a little bit of what is Graphic Shield. It's going to be ability to print individual logos, whether those car manufacturers or your own shop's brand, on PPF, so you can complement any of your installs with some true to yourself branding. Beyond that though, we are also talking about our final coat ceramic coating. Now, we've had a ceramic coating on the market for a while. We've continually developed and changed that, and we're very happy with where we've landed on this final coat. This is going to be a great addition to any full body or even full front paint protection films, or even just on painted surfaces. It's easy to apply, super glossy, and hydrophobic, so it's going to make keeping care of your car that much easier. That will be coming out here right at the new year, shortly after SEMA. So if you guys have any questions or interested in following more along with STEK, make sure to check us out at STEK-USA.com or across social at STEK-USA. We'll see you there.